Today we will have a look inside this QUESTECH Chroma Keyer. It has a beautiful enclosure made of stainless steel. Serial digital in SDI. Wow! Of course, this is not high definition, so honestly, this one will be disassembled right now, no doubt. Okay guys, I have removed all screws. I also had to remove the plastic foil. It was stuck together. So let's have a look inside. Woo! Beauty! So here's the mains filter. A beautiful power supply. Teardown, Cambridge. I love it. I really love it. Beautiful. Have a look at the construction of the chassis. Man. Oh well, here's the DC input to the main board. And the whole damn thing is just one large board. DC converter. Serial. Oh well, that's it. I hope you liked the video. See you soon. Bye. Here it is. Isn't it beautiful? Have a look at that. Wow. Amazing.